Alright, so today we have an unboxing from Rlcubeshop. If you don't know what Rlcubeshop is, essentially they custom magnetized cubes, such as budget cubes like the Chi Warrior, the Yushin Little Magic, but they also do improve magnet strengths of cubes that are even more high-end, like the Huanlong. All their cubes are expertly magnetized. They put center magnets in, and it's just a really great option, especially when some of the bigger SpeedCube shops don't really offer as much customization. You can choose your magnet strength. It's great. So, highly recommend it. I did order a few things, so let's just see what's in the box. Alright. Ooh. Alright, we've got a few surprises here. Awesome. Alright, so let's first check out. Let's see what we got. So, very well packaged. So here we have a Chi Warrior W magnetic. This is a pretty good budget SpeedCube, so I'm curious to see how it performs with magnets. Here we have a Yushin Little Magic M. I've got a few of these, but this is a phenomenal cube, and with magnets, it is comparable to some of the really high-end cubes. So I'm really excited to try that one out as well. Here we have another Chi Warrior W, it seems, which is awesome. So I'll be doing a giveaway of these very soon. So please subscribe so I can make more videos and so that I can give these away to you, because that's awesome. Alright, and then here is the Mf3rs2 M. Now, Cubicle used to have a way to magnetize this cube. You could buy it in the Cubicle Labs, but that is no more. So, and I've also heard this cube is really good with magnets, so get it at Rlcubeshop. And then last but certainly not least, we have the Mf3rs2 M. Been meaning to try out this cube for a while, so. Alright, awesome. Let's start out with the Chi Warrior WM. So here are the magnet strengths. Two first turns. Not bad at all. The magnets are pretty medium strength, which is pretty nice. And it's not completely dry. It actually feels pretty good. All right, let's unbox the second one now. This one feels a little bit lighter. That might just be me. But overall, for, you know, really low price, these are really good puzzles. And with magnets, they're a lot better. So subscribe, and there'll be a giveaway very soon. So I don't know if you have a little magic, but as you know, it comes in this sort of matte stickerless. Sort of. I don't know, it's not too bad. Ooh, these are nice. Oh, this is a perfect strength. Absolutely love that. This cube's so good. Very smooth, but a little bit clacky too. So fast. Wow. Let's check the center caps because I know they put magnets in there as well. Yep. So you get really good, really nice magnetic bump. And it feels like the whole layer is sort of being attracted versus just the corners. So it's a much more compact and controllable feel. Awesome. Alright, this is a great puzzle. Alright, let's look at the Mf3rs2. I actually don't have any of these, so this will be the first time I've ever tried this cube. Whoa! Huh. Wow, it feels weird. It's probably because it's very dry, but it feels very sandy, but smooth as well. The magnets are a nice strength. Yeah, that feels really good. Wow, they just glide. Good job, Rlcubeshop, for magnetizing this cube, and all the other cubes for that matter. My favorite so far is the Little Magic for sure. The strength is great, and the feeling is awesome. It's so good. All right. Last but not least, we have the iPhone SE2. Just kidding. Again, Mf3rs2 M. So this is supposedly the go-to one-handed cube. Not sure. Comes with bag and pamphlet, and that's it. No GS nuts, no nothing. So that's interesting. Let's open her up. So it looks like all of Gan's puzzles now are with this matte plastic, which I really don't mind. I actually think it looks quite slick, and over time it gets a lot more grippy. So I think just stick with it. I'm actually a fan. I wasn't at first, but I am now. So the cube definitely feels a little smaller than normal. Let's do first turns. Yep. Yeah, that's a GAN puzzle. If you have either an RS or the GAN 356M, this feels very, very similar to that. It just is smaller. We have the primary internals and the honeycomb design, and the magnets are not interchangeable, which is fine actually. I think they're medium strength, and that's fine to me. I think they could be a little stronger, but it's not really a big deal. It's a really, really smooth cube. Check corner cutting. I should probably check corner cutting with all the cubes. I mean, with cubes like this, you know, it better be 45. But with this, aha! Oh my God! Wait. All right. Okay. Yep. Good. Illusional magic. We all know that's good. That's good. It's a little loose, but you could tighten it. And then we have the Warrior W's. I know these aren't as good, but let's see. Yeah, can't quite do 45, but it can do right about. And reverse. almost line to line, but it does take a good bit of force. But it actually feels really nice, very smooth. So yeah, there you go. There's the unboxing of these cubes. Please subscribe for more unboxings and a giveaway of the Chi Warrior M magnetic. Thank you so much, Rlcubeshop, for sending me these cubes. Click a link in the description if you want to get any of these cubes or get a cube in general. They've got a huge selection, great quality made products, so definitely go there. Have a wonderful day.